ngisusa lapha ungisusa kanjani indoda eganwe kangaka wena uganwe kanje ngoba phela kufuneka mina ngikhulume ngoba nginabafazi ngisakhulumela nje umacele sazokhulumela umayeni khulumela umakhumalo khulumela umangwabi bese ngithi bhasoba.
Oh, samke sana andisamveli usamke. Anyways, molweni namkelekele nonke kwezichisa Bay Entertainment. Le video lena ke kudala itrenda phayana ke ku TikTok apho ke uMusa Mseleku kwi funeral year the late brother yakhe uBabuduma. So abantu are basically questioning why is it that Utata Mseleku whenever acknowledge ama wives wakhe, even on Instagram, guys, uyathanda uyenza lento, of which it's so painful to watch, especially from us as the viewers. Like, why ethanda uba usamke amenzi outcast all the time kesana? Usamke will not be mentioned, usamke will not be posted, usamke will not be treated as a legal wife, as though akalotyolwanga. Yeah, understand. So anyways, you guys, I'm sure most of you will remember uthando luka Tata Mseleku and uSamke Lusaqala. Abantu abaninzi, they were very against it. Bemxelela uSamke into ba yey sisi, you need to stay away from Eli Ketle Eli. So whenever such things enjengale video engiqobo kuyifaka, viewers will constantly remind umntana bantu that mamela ke sisi sake wonisha into ba elixhego ukulo sisi ingathi ayililo, it is not your soulmate. Ufuna ukukyuzela ntoni into ba wena mzalele, but as far as respect and love is concerned and him being your soulmate, none of that, none of the above are there. Yeah, understand. So you better go out there, just like Umayeni once told you, Indoba, go and look for umntu oyintanga yakho, uhlukane nelikhehle. Hayi kehle aliyamvuruvaya ngokuSamke, you guys. Now, obviously, uSamke has been crying. Sibonile kuthanda nesithembu uncut. Okay, ebeba emotional kakhulu ethetha ngento ba uTata Mseleku did not want to attend a baby shower. I mean, umntana wakhe wokuqala lona, obviously expected indoda yakhe indoba will be there. Even the time eyozala esibhedlele uthi wayengekho uTata Mseleku. So this is where now the mockery comes in from the viewers. Into ba kodwa sasixelele, why are you acting all surprised? Even where's ke ngoku uNomayeni has entered the group chat. Sibonile ku episode 1 into ba uMayeni uGhatful of a production and uTata Mthombeni for basically giving better or prioritizing uSamke over yena uMayeni when it comes to islotsi the diary session. You understand? So already uSamke is now the topic, the spotlight is on her, and shame, man, I must say I don't think she can take this fame thingy. Okokuqala, she will just turn off ama comment sections akhe, and njengoba inkulumo already says izoqala and seziqalile, then ambona ke ku Instagram wakhe uye wafaka imeme ke ethi make me numb, Nelson, just to make me numb, meaning that she wishes maybe le season ikhawuleze iphele so that ezinkulumo zikhona already on these social platforms about her and choosing ikhehle lakhe elinabantwana elinabafazi, not just any abafazi abangamfuniyo ke uSamke. So let me just take a few comments from the video and ndigqiba ukunifakela yona at the beginning. Someone said, Makhwela, my dear, was a sophuza dali once uyeke nje lo baba, hlukana nalo baba. Omunye uthi Makhwela is a joke emphakathini, how bafowethu. And then omunye uyabuza ukuthi unumber 5 uBhasoba yini, Jesu Christu. Omunye, the last one, uthi they use uMakhwela as content to create tension for more viewers on the show, otherwise abamthandi bebonke including uTata Musa Mseleku. Oh, and samfileli semzalele nokumzalela, at least uTata umntanakho is rich sana, but ke yo sana, this must be really hurting. Anyways guys, let me know your thoughts and I will see you shortly. Bye guys.